AI agents are one of the biggest topics in automation right now. AI agents are one of the biggest topics in automation right now. But if you're new to AI automation, there's a good chance you've heard the term and thought, what exactly is an AI agent? Because honestly, a lot of explanations online make this sound way more complicated than it needs to be. So in this video, I want to explain AI agents in a simple, practical way. No hype, no crazy predictions, no technical overload, just what AI agents are, how they work, and how companies may actually use them in the real world. At a basic level, an AI agent is a system that can observe information, make decisions, and take actions toward a goal. That's the simplest way to think about it. Instead of just responding to one prompt, an AI agent can work through steps in a process. It can gather information, analyze it, make decisions, and continue taking actions based on the results. Now let's compare that to something most people already know. If you use ChatGPT, you type a prompt, and it gives you a response. That's useful, but usually the interaction stops there. An AI agent goes further. Instead of only generating information, it can use information to complete tasks. Now before we go deeper, let's connect this to the videos I've been making recently about RPA and automation. Traditional RPA, or robotic process automation, is very rule-based. If this happens, do this. Move this file, send this email, update this spreadsheet. RPA is very good at repetitive workflows. AI adds another layer. AI helps systems interpret information, recognize patterns, and handle situations where the input may vary. AI agents combine those ideas even further. They don't just follow rules. They can make decisions based on goals and changing information. Now let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine a customer service department. A customer sends a message asking for help. An AI agent could read the message, understand the issue, check customer information, create a support ticket, route the request to the correct department, and send a response automatically. That's more than just generating text. That's a system working toward a goal. Here's another example. Scheduling. An AI agent could check calendars, find available meeting times, compare schedules, suggest options, and book the appointment automatically. Again, it's handling multiple steps in a workflow. Now let's look at another example businesses care about. Lead qualification. Imagine a company receives hundreds of form submissions from potential customers. An AI agent could read the submissions, analyze what the customer is asking for, identify high-priority leads, route urgent requests to sales, and organize the data automatically. That saves employees time and helps businesses respond faster. Here's another example. Inventory monitoring. An AI agent could track inventory levels, identify low stock, create alerts, generate purchase requests, and notify the correct team automatically. Now here's something important to understand. AI agents are not magic. And honestly, a lot of people online exaggerate what they can do. Most real-world AI agents today are still operating inside defined workflows and systems. Companies still want oversight, rules, approvals, and human decision-making in important situations. So the real value right now is usually this: helping employees, reducing repetitive work, improving response times, supporting workflows, and assisting decision-making. That's the practical side of AI agents. Now let's talk about how AI agents connect to automation careers. This is important. Companies are not just looking for people who know one tool. They want people who understand workflows, processes, systems, logic, and automation opportunities. That's why understanding AI agents matters. Because AI agents combine several important ideas: automation, AI, decision-making, workflow design, and business processes. Now another important thing to understand is this: an AI agent is usually connected to other systems. For example, databases, calendars, CRMs, email systems, customer support platforms. The agent is not working alone. It is interacting with tools and workflows to accomplish tasks. And honestly, that's one reason why automation skills are becoming so valuable. Because businesses are trying to connect more systems together. Now let's simplify this one more time. RPA handles repetitive, rule-based workflows. AI helps interpret information. AI agents take it a step further by making decisions and taking actions toward goals. That's the big picture. Now, if you're just getting started in AI automation, don't worry about mastering advanced agent systems immediately. Start by understanding workflows, processes, inputs and outputs, decision points, and how systems connect together. Because that foundation matters more than hype. And honestly, that's one of the biggest things I'm learning while studying automation. The people who really understand automation think in systems, not just tools. If you want to see more beginner-friendly AI automation videos like this, make sure you follow the channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday focused on practical, real-world automation. And I'll see you in the next video.